Welcome. I'll be explaining to us how we can start up a recharge card printing business. Recharge card printing business, first and foremost, is very lucrative, and it's one of the business that once you have your little amount of money, you can start up the business. The major thing you have to be interested in is to start. The tools necessary for you to have is the laptop, which is this preferably, or the desktop, which you can see on the screen. Then you can also look at the other one, which is the printer. And printer, to be precise, the printer can be any printer: HP, Laserjet, or Kyocera. Then you also get the ePin manager. We have various ePin manager, but for this time we're actually going to refer this to you, which is the NetDevo ePin manager. Okay, so and that will be installed to you. And again, you also have the A4 papers, and these tools it will enable you to print every network, which is the Airtel, MTN, Etisalat, and Glo ePins. So we would also want to look at some other things that are necessary for this recharge card printing, as we are considering now. Now, to enable you print, you should also consider having a very wonderful system which has been introduced to you. And once that is done, the next thing you do, once all these are taken care of, is to know how you can start up the business. And starting up the business, there are things that are involved, and you consider this website. You go to this website, which is www.rechargecardprinting.com, to actually enable you have the NetDevo application. So after that, the NetDevo application will be installed, and once that is installed, you have your that is your ePin manager fully installed. Then how can you be able to print this ePin? After the installation, what you have to do is to have your system opened. Okay, after installation, it will require your username and password. So you put your username and password, then that enables you to open the system. Then after that, having opened the NetDevo ePin manager, you can also see, once you enter your username and password, you have that right there on your platform. So it will be quite open. Then you come to set up, then you change the password, that's the company's name. You change this NetDevo, put your company name there. Then you also check the location. If your location is different, you can put yours, maybe Lagos State. Then you click complete setup. Then after that, how do you then print? The first thing you do is to click on file, then you see load new vouchers. So looking at load new vouchers, this is the icon that comes out. Okay, so you can see various networks as it's there. So first and foremost, you must have been able to load your ePIN. How do you do that? You click here. Once you click that, then you click on the ePIN that you have downloaded, then you click load, then you select the network, which of the network that is given. So you select MTN, any of the network, then you come and put your index number. Your index number can be anything, just put something there. You can choose to put maybe a star, or you can choose to say GD 0001, or you can choose to put Nike 001. So once you put that, you select load all. If it is all the quantities of card, then you load file, then you click yes, then you start seeing your files being loaded, then you see a successful message, then click OK. So once you have clicked OK, you then go to done. Then once you have been able to click done, you go to print card, you print your vouchers. Make sure you print the loaded voucher. So you come select MTN, then you choose check a 20 per sheet. That's the paper type. It should be 20 per sheet. Okay, you can see the selection. So you select that, then you come to portrait, everything is selected, then you also select print range. That is, you select the range but you print all, okay, to ease the stress, or you pick the range of cards you want to print, then you go to print. Then if you watch, you check the printing preview, you have your cards loaded. You can see, okay, all these cards are loaded. Then once it's been loaded, then you click on print. Okay, then select which of your printer's name, then you click print. Then you have your airtime or your vouchers printed. Okay, so and this is how you will print other networks too, as easy as that. Okay, so once you get your cards printed, you can see the print out there. Okay, you see it printed there. That's how you start your business. You can see it there. Okay, so you have the card printed, then you can start distributing for those that want to distribute. Okay, thank you very much.